The 6-second rule can make or break your wedding business. So what is it and how can you use it to your advantage? I'm going to tell you all about it coming up next. Hi there, I'm Kate Story, one half of Book More Brides, along with my wonderful husband Nick. And today I want to tell you about the 6-second rule and what this means for your wedding business when it comes to your website. So the 6-second rule is based off of research that shows you have approximately 6 to 8 seconds to get your leads to decide if they want to stay on your website and learn more about you, or if they want to jump off and go learn more about somebody else. So what do we do about this? How do we make sure that we are making the most of those 6 seconds and making sure that we are getting our couples to want to spend more time learning about us? Well, the first thing that you can do is just make sure that the picture, the first image that they see before they scroll, is one that is going to truly speak to their desire of what they want out of your service. This is a key concept that we talk about a lot at Book More Brides. So if you want to know some more about that, click this link up here. When you have the right image in place on your website that is going to speak to what they truly want out of working with you, out of your service for their wedding, that is going to help them understand and to know that you get them, that you know what they're truly looking for out of their wedding. Then you have to couple that image, no pun intended, you have to make sure that that image is then paired up with a descriptor, which is often called a one-liner, that very clearly tells them who you can help and how you can help them and how they're going to get to that ideal scenario of when they work with you. This image is also sometimes called the picture of success. If you want to learn more about that, click up here. So now that you have an ideal image and an ideal statement put together to really clearly speak to your perfect couple, now you need to make sure that they know what to expect out of working with you. So the next thing you want to make sure you have is underneath that main image, you do want to have some sort of a descriptor. I call this the power paragraph. And this is where you can really get a little bit more detailed about who you like to work with, how you can serve them, maybe some of the things that they can expect out of the way that you do business. Basically, what makes you you and what makes you the perfect wedding pro for them. Then we got to wrap this all up and make sure that you have a contact us button. And as I talked about before, you need to make sure that the prime real estate in the upper right hand corner of your website, you need to make sure that you have some sort of a clear call to action button. So contact us, book a tour, schedule an appointment, whatever the next step is that you want them to take, you need to make sure that that is clearly called out at the top right hand corner of your website. But that's not the only place. You need to make sure that you also have that call to action underneath that power paragraph to make sure that they know now that they fully understand who you are, who you can help, what you are going to do to make their wedding day the best it can possibly be, and why you are the right choice for them. Now all that's left is they need to know how to book you. This is the kind of marketing and sales information that we cover every week with Book More Brides. So if you'd like to learn more about that, make sure you subscribe and click the notifications tab so you can be notified every time we have a new video that uploads. But look for this type of information every single week, and in the meantime, check out the links below for some additional resources and ways for you to be able to get the help that you need wherever you're at in your wedding business right now. Thanks so much for spending time with us today. We'll see you soon.